Today we're going to talk about how to achieve the ultimate finish with vapor blasting. So if you guys have been following along with the channel recently, you've seen us clean up this Honda TRX250 engine, and this thing is looking flawless considering where it started from. It had the factory paint on it, and this thing was in desperate need of a cleanup. What you see in front of you right now is the true vapor finish. This thing looks phenomenal. I mean, it is shiny to the point where when you take it outside, you literally have to put sunglasses on.
It's too bright.
This is the pinnacle of what the vapor finish should be. But again, today we're going to be talking about how to actually achieve this. So we'll kind of condense everything that we did in the videos down. For starters, yes, you can use vapor honing as an actual cleaning process to remove dirt and grime and things of that nature. But if you want to put it into something like our hydroblast or even pressure wash the parts first, it's going to extend the lifespan of the water that's in your cabinet. And the cleanliness of the water does have an effect on how good of a finish your finish is. But the bigger concern is actually the abrasive. So with our machines, specifically with this top one, the abrasive was actually getting older. It still turned out fine. So it really depends on what pressures you've been blasting at, what you've been blasting, the amount of gunk that you've been blasting through. But if you have good abrasive, it's going to turn out nice. Now, you want to use a glass bead if you're trying to polish a part up. That's what we used on this. We did start out with an aluminum oxide to remove the paint, just because it's necessary. Glass bead does not have the capability to remove paint, but that's how you're actually going to achieve these bright finishes, is through a glass bead. And something you can do with glass bead to actually increase the amount of shine on these parts is turn the pressure down. So we blast at about 100 PSI initially, and then towards the end we lower it to 60, 40, and then we usually end up somewhere around 20. You can actually go down to pump pressure. We have a lot of people who claim to see benefits when going down to pump pressure. We typically don't see it. So if you want to run at 20 PSI at the end, that's how we're getting these very nice and vibrant finishes on these parts. Really, the main things you need to look for whenever you're trying to achieve these very nice finishes is the cleanliness of your machine. So you want to make sure that you're maintaining it properly. We're going to have a few tip videos coming out soon on how to maintain the cleanliness of your machine. And also make sure that you're running corrosion inhibitors if you have any sort of ferrous metals on your parts, because they're going to start rusting. That rust is going to get in the water and it's going to degrade the color of your finish. So we always recommend running a corrosion inhibitor. And if you have issues with growths in your cabinet, depending on the cleanliness of your water, we also have antimicrobial agents that can help to rid your cabinet of any of those issues. So yeah, really to condense, the things that you need to be concerned with are the cleanliness of your water, the cleanliness of your abrasive, the newness of your abrasive, because newer abrasive isn't going to be broken down as much. It's going to give you better results. The pressures at which you're blasting, start high, go low, and then just blow the parts off really well. If you're leaving streaks on it, it's going to not look as good as if you do a thorough job cleaning these parts off. So blow them off very well. Don't touch them with your hands because you will get grease on it, and you will get amazing results that look just like this. So if you guys have any questions, or if you think I left anything out, please leave it in the comments below. We want to hear how you guys are achieving these results in your shop, business, whatever it may be. And if you have any questions regarding vapor honing as a whole, please leave it in the comments below. Also go and check out the other parts of this video where we actually go through and blasted this entire engine. We have the videos on our YouTube channel and we go into more depth about how we did the individual pieces. Again, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you are ready to start achieving results just like this in your shop, business, in your industry, whatever it might be, please call us at 828-202-5563 to get one of these machines today. You will not regret it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and peace.